In this video, we will discuss functions within and without parameters. Let's see without parameters first. The name of function will come, then we will give any name to function. For example, say hello, then curly braces are a must. It is its syntax. If I will not give braces, then error will come. In this, I will show message as alert. If I check screen now, nothing will appear because I have not called the function. So firstly, we will call the function, say hello. Now it will appear on screen when I refresh the page. This was without parameters. We did not send any list and without parameters have called the function. Now we will check that what happens with parameters. We will write function's name, then write add. We will send list in it, number 1 and number 2. Again, we will have curly braces. After this, we will write const result. And in result, we have added number 1 and number 2 and will alert the result. Result is, and so we will concatenate result with our message. Message will be alongside result. If I would try to write this number 1 outside the function, it would not access it because it will work within function. This is the concept of local and global variables, which will be discussed later. Now we will call this function by writing add. We called add without parameter. It is saying so itself if I hover my cursor over it, showing number 1 and number 2. So I will pass two numbers through it. 1 will go to my number 1 and 2 will go to my number 2. Now number 1 plus number 2, 1 plus 2, it is 3. That will go to result. The result will be 3. Let us comment this. We will see its result. So result is 3. Let us give space after result is. Again, we see it after refresh. Result is 3. This is our message. We have seen how functions work within and without parameters.